Huawei just announced its next generation foldable, the Mate X2, and with that, it indirectly admits defeat to Samsung as the king of foldables. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more tech videos. The Huawei Mate X and the Galaxy Fold were revealed roughly around the same time, and there were arguments as to which was better, Huawei's outward folding display or Samsung's inward folding display. Both designs were not perfect, but Huawei CEO went ahead to say the Galaxy Fold's design was bad, and the company considered the design but scrapped it in favor of the Mate X's design, implying their outward folding design was superior to Samsung's inward folding design. Both Samsung and Huawei had a somewhat similar idea of what purpose the new folding form factor should fulfill in the industry, and that's a phone that opens into a tablet. But they took very different approach to the same goal. Samsung's idea was to fit the fragile flexible OLED display on the inside with an inward folding mechanism, while Huawei chose to put it on the outside with an outward folding design. Now, both designs were really amazing, but which one was better? Which was going to lead the future design of the new form factor? Well, it wasn't quite clear at the time, but over time, there were rumors that Samsung was working on an outward folding design like the Mate X, and Huawei was working on an inward folding design like the Galaxy Fold. Turns out, only one of those rumors was true, and that's Huawei's inward folding design on the Mate X2. By releasing an inward folding design like Samsung's, Huawei has admitted defeat to Samsung as the king of foldables with its inward folding design. And with multiple foldables coming later down the year from more companies like Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi and Google, we can expect them to adopt Samsung's inward folding design. But it'll be interesting to see an entirely different design like the Xiaomi concept foldable that was shown in 2019 that folds at the top and bottom. Anyway, that's all for me in this video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.